So 2 weeks or so from now, OnePlus will finally be taking the wrapping of the most anticipated smartphone, which is the OnePlus 6. But today a new leak shows some live images of the OnePlus 6 unit. These mostly focus on the front panel of the device with no real surprises in store. Sadly, the photos don't show the back of the unit, so we can't confirm the rather recognizable camera module and fingerprint reader arrangement. Guys, these images don't reveal anything all that new about the phone's design, but they do give us a much better idea of what to expect from OnePlus' next device. As previously confirmed, there is a notch up top on the display and it does appear pretty minimal, only housing a camera, earpiece and some assorted sensors. It's definitely a lot smaller than the notch on the iPhone X, which is seen compared by side in these shots. The OnePlus 6 itself though is quite a bit larger. So guys, when it comes to the bezels, this phone keeps things relatively minimal. Using a strategy somewhat similar to Apple, there are slim but present bezels around the entire frame of the phone, being slightly thicker along the bottom as the company previously pointed out, though that was pretty much unavoidable. These latest photos also give us a clear look at the phone's headphone jack present at the bottom of the phone alongside the USB Type-C. We also get a look at the OnePlus 6 alongside with the OnePlus 5T, showing a similar overall footprint but considerable improvement in screen real estate on the newer phone. These pictures are not clear, but they can give us a clear look at the front side of the phone. As mentioned, we don't have long to wait until OnePlus officially debuts this phone, with a May 16 unveiling currently expected. So guys, what's your thoughts on this design? Please let me know your thoughts in comments down below. And that's it for this video. If you like this video, give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe the channel for daily tech videos and camera comparisons. Having said that, thanks a lot for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.